Alright, we're gonna come to the elevator at Rosslyn Station.
Here we come to the elevator at Rosslyn.
These are pretty nice elevators now. They're from like 2014.
What y'all vlogging?
Oh, the elevators. These are code system.
American model. What were they made? Was it American creator?
Street level.
You can see the wheel up here. The windows need clean. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
T. What do you think of this elevator? What?
Look, those guys thought it was cooler.
Yes. These are fast.
They're nice.
So go back up the street and look around.
Trains level.
You can see down below. There we go, look at this. You can see down like the, whoa.
Where's the other cab? That other elevator was broken.
Oh, they're working. It's right here.
Street level.
Oh, you mean the,
Going by the escalator.
it's actually not broken. It's gone.
Oh, it's gone.
They actually took it out.
Did you know that was happening?
It happened when they put these in.